Hello YouTube, this is Jeremy Martin. Shout out to the Facebook Chromebook group. I just got my Google Pixel 4 XL shipped in, and this is top of the line, just black, 128 gigs. It's the biggest, the top of the line one that they have. This one costs $999 before tax. And personally, I think it's worth every penny. And I've always loved the way Google does their packaging. You open it up on the inside, and it gives you all kinds of cool stuff, you know. But we're gonna pull this. I ordered this through Google Fi. This is, and on the order form, it specifically said Google Fi Pixel 4 XL. Just black, and what they do is they give me instructions on how to get my service working instantly, because this is built 100% specifically for the Google Fi system. I don't even need a SIM card on this. It has its own built-in card on it. So all I have to do is just turn it on, put my account in and my password, and then unlock it with my Titan security keys, and it should automatically just hook right up to my cellular service. I haven't opened this thing up yet. Let's see what this thing looks like here. I'll flip this thing over. Really nice. Just black. I know some people don't like the fact that it's glossy on the just black, but I do a lot of construction work, and I'm afraid if I get the matte finish and I have some cutting oil on my hands or something like that, that it's going to get into the matte finish and I'm never going to be able to get it out. So I decided to get the glossy stuff, so I know for a fact that I can, I work in manholes and all kinds of slime and goop and stuff, and I want to make sure I could be able to wipe that stuff off. I mean, who wants an oh-so-orange phone that looks more like oh so ugly brown, right? Alright, I got those loosened up. Let's flip this over. Oh, that is... I love the Google packaging. It's so awesome, man. It gets you a really good close-up on it. I love the minimalist look that they're going with now. Oh, yes, that is beautiful. Very beautiful. I'm doing this video off of my Pixel 3 XL, so I'm single-handed here. I gotta flip this thing around. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. Oh, and it comes off so easy too. Come on, get in there. There you go. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, yeah. I don't care what anybody says. I think the camera bump is a good idea. In fact, I was expecting it to happen, because it's what's trending right now, and Google does try to keep up with trend. I would not suggest this for... This is not exactly the phone I would suggest for everybody. If somebody asked me what kind of phone they should get, Samsung is usually the first thing that comes out of my mouth, because this phone isn't for everybody. Also, I've seen that this phone has a 9-second boot. So let's see what I'm going to push the button here and let's see how quick it boots. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's pretty nice. That's really nice. Alright, I'm going to end this video right here. I'm going to go ahead and plug this thing in, get a little bit of charged up, and I'm going to go ahead and get my Titan keys into it and get this thing all set up, and y'all take it easy. Google on, my brothers and sisters. all the nice stuff that's in there too. I want to also point out that they didn't put the headphone jacks or the dongle that switches over from USB-C to eighth of an inch jack. And come on, Google, you're nitpicking there. Not me personally, I don't ever use the plug-in headphones. I got the money to be able to buy all the wireless stuff that I want. Money really isn't an option for me, but I can't say that for everybody else. So come on, Google, really? Put that dongle in there, put some headphones in there. But anyways, hey, I'm going to go ahead and load this up to YouTube, and y'all take it easy, be safe, and Google on.